What is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually be reviewing random Satoshi and going in depth on what random Satoshi is and how you can actually withdraw some money and even make money on this platform, guys. So from this point forward, I'm actually going to start helping you guys out
showing you
by
methods
learning
that do
more in
just that,
depth
guys.
about
It's insane
websites
how
and
much
just
money you
getting
can make
straight
from
to the
doing it.
point on money making websites and applications. And on top of that, guys, I'm also going to be doing money making methods as well, like usual, but those are going to come every so often. So I just want to start getting more in depth and making these videos quicker for you guys to actually watch the videos and actually take action on these methods. So let's get started. What Random Satoshi is, it is a website where you can start earning cryptocurrency passively, guys. So I'm about to show you some different methods on how you can actually earn cryptocurrency passive and start making some money. And I'm also going to show you how you can actually withdraw this money directly inside of a different wallet. And I'm going to show you everything. So let's go to the bits section of this. Once you sign up under the link down in the description of this video, guys. So once we actually click on bits, we're going to get led to a page just like this. And you have different options, guys. You can watch videos, which is going to make it 100% passive, or you can even do offer walls, or even click on short URL links and make some money that way. There's even mining, guys. So if you have a good top-notch computer, like a computer that is really decent, then you can actually start mining on that computer and start making some money for some bits for random Satoshi. So now I already have some points on my account, so we're going to go back to the dashboard so we can start earning some cryptocurrency, and you can choose from any of these currencies right here on the left and right hand side of the screen. So let me get started and show you. Right now we have 0 active and 0 in queue, so let's click on BTC and let's start earning some cryptocurrency by just clicking on this claim tab, and it's going to cost us 330 bits per claim. So as you can see, I have over 5,400 at the moment, and I'm starting off with 0. So let's click on claim once, twice, 3 times, or however much you want. You can actually mix this around. Like I can do some Ethereum, some Litecoin, and even some Doge. So let me just start clicking on this button randomly just so I can start earning some points and start getting this bot going. So as you can see, guys, there's even this level bar, and I'm on level 5 on Doge. You can actually upgrade on each coin individually. So if you just want to start earning some Bitcoin and just Bitcoin only, you can grow this level up to like level 10, 20, 30, 100, 200, and you can start earning some more rewards every level that you grow. So that is a really cool feature inside of this website, guys, that you can start earning some more currency passively. So now let me show you inside and show you exactly how the claim tab works. So we're going to open up the claim tab right here. So now once we open up the claim tab, you can see that it's working. Every minute we're going to start earning some cryptocurrency, and what's cool about this is that every claim gives you 60 claims within that. So right now we're at 1 out of 60, and the next minute we're going to be at 260, then at 360, all the way up to 60, guys. And that is just basically off of the level that you have. So I'm on level 6, so the higher the level, the more chance I can get more claims inside of that level. So as you can see, level 5 only gave me 56 claims. Now level 6 of LTC, BTC, ETCH gave me 60 claims. Now I have 30 claims queued, so now the 3 times is going to go into 60 times, so that's going to be 60 times 3. So let's go over to the calculator real quick. So we're going to do 60 times 3. That's going to give me a total of 180 claims that I'm going to be getting every minute, guys. So as you can see, it just got through being done with the 1 minute mark, and now we're at 2 out of 60 claims. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually withdraw this money. Once you have this application running for just a couple of days or a couple of hours, you can already withdraw your money, guys. So once it's off of this platform, it is 100% safe off of this platform. So before you actually withdraw some money on this application, I would highly recommend you guys coming over here to the wallet and adding in your wallet IDs. So within the wallet IDs, you can enter your Faucet Pay email address, your Express Crypto ID, and your Coinbase email address, depending on where you're going to want your money to get put or sent to. So now we're going to go to the available currencies, and I'll leave the links down to Faucet Pay, Express Crypto, and even Coinbase in the description of this video. So now once we have enough points or enough enough money to withdraw, you're gonna go back to the wallet tab. You're gonna scroll down where it says available currencies. Now you just gotta choose the currency that you started to mine, pretty much. So we're gonna go to Bitcoin. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you that this is actually working. So as you can see, I just got through signing in on my account on Express Crypto, and I'm gonna leave the link down in the description of this video. So as you can see, our estimated entire wallet value is 0.0000, so 4 zeros, 1729, so that's 17 cents right there, guys. So we're gonna keep in mind 1729. So now let me show you that this method is actually going to work. So we're gonna go back to Random Satoshi. We're gonna click on Express Crypto. You're gonna scroll down just a tiny bit more where it says confirm. We're gonna get sent the money from Bitcoin over to Express Crypto Bitcoin wallet. So now we're gonna click on confirm. So 1729, guys. So we're gonna go back to the wallet and we should have received the money. So it says successful withdrawn. As you can see, we're at 1729 BTC. So we're gonna refresh the page and we should have the money 7111 inside of my Express Crypto account for doing absolutely nothing, guys. So this is going to be the review of Random Satoshi. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.